so today my wife's car is needs to be an oil change. This one is the 2016 Honda Pilot Elite. So as you can see, it says we went over negative 24 miles, and right now it still show the fuel tank is low. I only have like 20 miles to drive, so I'm heading to gas out right now. So in case you guys are wondering when it's time to change your oil and then it is past due or you went over the mileage, this is what it shows. So I'm pretty surprised that it shows exactly how many miles that you went over. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.